Embedded system, a benchmark in human life. The main objective of this video is 1. Understand embedded system. 2. Make familiar with microcontrollers. 3. Learn to program microcontrollers. 4. Execute your own projects. We request you to subscribe and watch all in this series. What is an embedded system? In simple terms, the hardware chip that contains the software programmed in it is called an embedded system. Why we need an embedded system? 1. To reduce large electronic circuits or control boards. 2. To control our equipment easier. 3. To make easy control of complicated machines. Advantages of embedded system: increased productivity, reduce defects, reduce human errors, to achieve good performance, and cost saving. An embedded system, where it is used. 8. Domestic applications: fridge, washing machine, microwave ovens, induction cookers, water purifiers, home automation, in satellite receivers, audio and video gadgets, etc. B. Industrial applications: indicators, counters, sensors, machine control systems, pneumatic and hydraulic controllers, production line robotics, and many more. C. Commercial applications: RO systems, BMS, building management systems, CCTV systems, smart cards and ADMS, elevator controllers, communication equipments, vending machines and interactive kiosks. D. Automobile applications: fuel injection system of a car, ABS, airbag controls, GPS, music systems, window defrost control, fuel quantity monitoring, tire pressure indicator and automatic traction control, etc. E. In research platform: signal processing equipments, precision research equipments, robots in hazardous environments, space research, in advanced technologies like fuel cells and nanotechnologies, and many more. The tools required for the development of embedded system is 1. A microcontroller like Atmel, or PIC, or ARM, or Motorola, or Renesas, or any other microcontroller. 2. A programmer kit based on the microcontroller that you choose. 3. A PC with minimum of P for processor and above. Softwares required in the PC: 1. An electronic schematic design software for drawing circuits. 2. The related IDE, integrated development environment, for the microcontroller which you have selected. This contains programming language tools and tools for debugging them. Other items required: input and output components based on your circuit. Few examples for the tools. The few example for programming languages are: 1. Assembly language. 2. C language. 3. C++ language. You have to associate any one language to your IDE. Input and output components of embedded system. The example for the input components would be sensors. The example for the output component would be relays and drives. An embedded system user interface. An embedded system user interface is a communication medium between human and the machine. The example for the user interface probably would be a display and a keypad. the sample circuit would look like, of the sample program would look like. How it works. Look at the picture. The embedded controller takes input from the sensors. Also it gets controlling data from the user through user interface. Now it processes the data and on user criteria. It controls the external systems or equipment like motor, pneumatic valves, hydraulic system, etc. Please subscribe and share this serial for more electronic, embedded, and programming concepts.